na dollar no 17 and Bawumia eto 300 and obey ni na Ghana port. You be petition UK, you be petition Canada, you be petition US foreign embassies ni na say we want to know where Bawumia bought that, because they should also understand we cannot have a presidential candidate who is corrupt, because in America no politician can use funds only baby free. Into the US embassy should question Bawumia. We are talking in excess of over $20 million. Where did he get the money? So now, look at this. Matese eye Bahamudu Bawumia. Movement for Change. Movement for Change petitions OSP to investigate Dr. Bawumia's source of funding for 300 brand new pickups he claims to have bought for the NPP. And eye Alankojo Chamantin, the party nipa ede Bawumia ako OSP say yanhwehwe Bawumia nsemu imrebi original stage eka say we yini bottom sika 300 sika pole billions eto pickups nkwa 300 ma MPP. Bawumia be vice president as a public servant. Yenyina as people of Ghana yenim de Bawumia eje as vice president. It for Bawumia to tell us say wetumi sika ayeden ato pickups nkwa 300 no emu awirem kakra. Ebia Bawumia ye cocaine ejuma. Ebia Bawumia oye nyome bia, because you calculate the pay no any taxes are different the pay more. And this Bawumia 20 years grow otumito 300 pickups. Among Ghana phobia kasa dabi. I say papa we krom for so nya krom for ton cocaine. On ton cocaine na ebi oton wi. On ton wi ebi okunipa. Inti OSP friend no metna table no nkyere ye. Time na owa ban mu no. Ekwan be so no fa so a otumi nya sika edikoto pickups and 300. It's in the right direction, because it's about time people who stand on platforms to tell us sika politicians, no, it's about time we started questioning where their wealth comes from. Mahmoud Bawumia ne kachire enye ne ka so onka also 300 pickups. Intende, all that we want the OSP to do is to question Bawumia, how did you get money to buy the pickups? Now, Miracle Abuaja na oye MC Adeku Kwadwo kronunti epamono. He was sacked because of corruption. That is why he's failing to produce his termination letter. On record, Miracle Abuaja kronfo. Until he provides that termination letter to prove to Ghana for say he wasn't sacked because he was a criminal. On record, he's a criminal. Miracle Abuaja na munu osa no kronfo ekufuado pamono because of corruption, criminality. Anything pamono as an MC. So oseme buano pese o defending nature Ghana for say sebio enya kronunti ne pamona unpublish the termination letter. Miracle Abuaja is a candidate for jail or your kronfo. Now, asem we ba no Miracle Abuaja order the Bawumia cash cow. Ode Bawumia enye sika because every day or call a press conference. Bawumia otumito dey pickups 300 no o sika da ho. Ode na yire samere because woni sika untumi nya entumito pickups nkwa 300. Now, petition na koma OSP no Miracle Abuaja ohu Bawumia as a cash cow no or say petition to OSP not alarming. Fundraising is normal political practice. Kromfo defend Kromfo. Miracle Abuaja say, oh, say petition there. Sebio, I see a TSC say, what we call fundraising, no, a normal or politics. Inti Bawumia, a fundraising, and a odi raisi sika eto 300 pickups. Oh, really? Fundraising, you can still show us the source of funds. So raising funds everywhere or whoever contributed to your fundraising, you should be able to tell us. This is where the money came from. Because Kevin Taylor on 1 million. Because Asimis on 400. Because Kofi Mwako on 300. There was a platform and nipa 8 and if people were paying, there's supposed to be a receipt. It is a fundraiser cry. We should be able to get to the bottom where the funds came from. So it being a fundraiser does not mean we cannot ask for the source of that money. Until we understand. And the Bawumia spokesperson, I want to campaign say, oh, Sikana or the top 300 pickups, no, a fundraising money. We get it. We want to know who and who raised the funds. Who and who contributed. Was it electronically done? Was it physically done in cash? You can give us a list of the people who gave Bawumia money for him to be able to buy 300 pickups. Because you just saying, fundraising money does not mean it did not come from somewhere. We want to know where it came from. Because fundraising money, you even have to pay taxes on them. How much taxes did Bawumia pay on the fundraising amount? Did he actually pay taxes? Can you show us document of Bawumia paying taxes on this fundraising money? We want to know. You cannot just come stupidly sit on TV and say, oh, it is normal political practice. No. Fundraising is not normal political practice. Over America, people are in jail because of a political fundraising money. People have lost their seats. People are no more in Congress or in the Senate because their fundraising. So there is no excuse here. So Bekache said, this is a normal political practice. It is not. Bawumia was in a public office. Every single money that came to Bawumia's possession, he's supposed to prove to us who and who. Because for all you know, there was a businessman who was a criminal cartel member who wanted to use cocaine, use Ghana as a transit point to pass cocaine through Ghana. Or my Bawumia 20 pickups. And until ultimately cocaine for Ghana. That is why we want to know who and who contributed to Bawumia's campaign. Emaninya 300 pickups scandal. Because these drug cartels, these are some of the loopholes they search and use your country as a transit. In Tiabia, no obiton drugs, obi a drug cartel, or person use Ghana as a transit point. In Tiabia, auto pickups in 100 ma Bawumia and a Bawumia a good port because he was the vice president. He basically was in charge of your ports, because he had already told us to say, or no na day, nyoma tutu akwemwa na port nyoma ekoso. Inti for all you know, the influence them as drug peddlers and a drug cartel using a thermoport as a transit point. And we need to know the source of the money. Inti Mahmoud Bawumia, Miracle Abadi cannot just come sit on TV and say it's a normal political practice. No. Until we get to the bottom of this, Bawumia should not go close to the presidency because if he's not able to prove to us a sika way and your chrono sika, then the probability of Bawumia coming to power with chrono sika and coming to do chrono, it is 1,000%. So until Bawumia cleans himself, until Bawumia is able to bring out documentations to prove, say 300 pickups, it was legitimately. Obia contributed for him to get the money to buy the pickups. We want to see that person. We want to see the company. We want to see the agency. We want to see the individuals. If it was electronic, there should be a trace. If it was checks, there should be a trace. It was donation directly, there should be a trace. So nobody can just tell us and say, this is a normal political practice. We are trying to sanitize our political terrain. Send a bear to pump money into our politics. And then I say your politics, Until we need to use Bawumia as the first person to test the system to know, say, Obin to be vice president and raise money to buy 300 pickups. How much does a vice president, how much does he take? Do you know how much one pickup costs in Ghana? Shipping of the pickup, buying it outside, shipping it, taking out from the port. We want to know all these things. It is in the right order. We need Bawumia's team or Bawumia himself to answer a question or this question. In any opportunity journalists in Ghana get, these are some of the questions they need to be asking Bawumia himself. Journalists in Ghana are supposed to be petitioning Bawumia's office for them to release documents to prove to us, say, 300 pickups, in fact, they were legitimately purchased. In fact, the people who funded it are this and this. Bawumia is not transparent. Bawumia, so far, is a criminal until he proves where he got the 300 pickups from. So Bawumia to men prove baby on 300 pickups in free. Oyeri. So Mahamudu Bawumia and to me, and baby on 300 pickups in free. Oyeri. And we cannot let a thief be the president of the Republic of Ghana. We cannot even allow a thief to contest in our general elections until Bawumia proves to us to say, time and our office, one fun is ambo a bicycle. Now 300 pickups, a pickups are nipa the man, or influence biawa baimu. We want to know. Until we are waiting. The journalists in Ghana now must be answer. Bernard Ablen and Kofi na moti city wodi nkwasi asem no. When you come on TV, question Bawumia. Join news for motor samu nimu nyansa no. Question Bawumia, Mr. President, former president, how did you raise money to buy the pickups? That's all that we want to know. Kwabena Santina na funu se bini no. Obetina ni show no so a. Omusa Bawumia sa Bawumia. Sa pickups na otoye no. Ye pesi ehun bebi asika ni free buy. Mo betuma kire your documents. Say a fundraiser, and a fundraiser. You perceive wine and a contribute a donate to your fundraising. To be raising Sasika way. We want to know 300 pickups is not an easy shit. Mr. S, Mr. P, when you calculate 300 pickups, buying it outside, shipping it to Ghana, paying shipping fees at the port, taking it out, it is not small money. 300 pickups. We are also going to petition the CID to ask Mahmoud Bawumia, because on one regional stage, catch Ghana for say, I bought 300 pickups. So be the tomao and I would buy a beche di pakro. So be the donati and I would toya beche di pakro. Say obi and a donati ma okeke so opewasma me wini pakro 300 pickups. So we are going to petition the CID boss. They need to call Mahmoud Bawumia in. This is the only way we can clean our system. This is not going anywhere. It is not a normal political practice. No. Yatiana Nancy Ombakache say, you will need over $300 million to win elections in Ghana. $300 million. If you need $300 million, then the probability of drug cartels putting money into our politicians, their campaign is high. And until we want to get to the bottom of this, Mahmoud Bawumia, he needs to come out and tell us where he got the money to buy 300 pickups. 300. In fact, Mr. S, Mr. P, let's just do some small maths here. Just pick one of these pickups, Hilux pickups, whatever, and just put a price. Go, just, you guys watching me, let's just do some silly maths here. Simple, silly ones. 300 pickups. I just want the base price of a pickup. Ya turn abruchria, ya ship about Ghana, ya say Ghana port. Satana dollar biano, not dollar near 17. And about Bawumia eto 300. And obey in our Ghana port. Until we are going to calculate how much you pay on every Hilux and every pickup at the Tema port. And then you are calculating how much every day, every pickup costs outside the country. We are also going to calculate the shipping to ship one pickup to Ghana. When you do the math, this is billions of dollars. Where did Bawumia get the money? Where did Mahmoud Bawumia get that money? Where did he get the money? He was the vice president of Ghana. Was it Galamsey money? We want to know. We cannot allow somebody who has all this mess. We are talking in excess of over $20 million. Where did he get the money? He says he was a vice president. He's not corrupt. This alone shows Bawumia is the most corrupt politician in Ghana. Until Mahmoud Bawumia and his team answer this question with evidence and fact, Bawumia is the most corrupt politician in Ghana. Oyerepa. Until Bawumia is able to answer this question with facts, show us documentations, who contributed for him to buy 300 pickups. One pickup around $15,000. 300. Shipping and paying at the port and taking them out. So Bawumia to my mother's answer. Mahmoud Bawumia ye krom for Oyerepa any so original any platform to campaign say or person or president of Ghana. Oyerepa until he proves baby onya sasika no ekoto 300 pickups no. Say out on 2020 e dey free baby na buy ye pese ehu. How can Bawumia fight corruption? How can Mahmoud Bawumia fight corruption in Ghana? When, as a vice president, he's not able to tell us where he got money to buy 300 pickups. So, the president told him to obey. So, Bawumia be the president. We are talking over $30 million. $30 million, 300 pickups. Where did he get the money? We are going to petition someone enche no mo call international diplomatic court. You be petition UK, you be petition Canada, you be petition US for embassies in United say we want to know where Bawumia bought that, because they should also understand we cannot have a presidential candidate who is corrupt, because in America no politician can use funds only maybe free. Into the US embassy should question Bawumia, who wants to, some believe in the principles. They should question Bawumia on how he got the 300 pickups. The Canadians should question Bawumia. All the embassies are brought your letter call. They should ask Bawumia where he got the money. You can confirm fuel corruption in Africa politics. Bawumia is number one. Mahamudu Bawumia is so corrupt. We are Ghana, seriously, per this particular petition that OSP him. He needs to come out and speak on it. He needs a one-on-one interview to prove to us that he's not a thief, that he's not a corrupt man, that he is not the thief we have been talking about. Bawumia, per the petition in front of OSP, if he's not able to tell us where he got the money, he's a criminal. He's not supposed to come close to any political point. He's not supposed to even think of becoming the president of Ghana. Right now, Ope, the most corrupt politician in Ghana, Bawumia, he should come and tell us where he got the money to buy 300 pickups. He should come and tell us. Bawumia ye. So when to me I'm responding to the special prosecutor, I'm for documents I bet baby onya every day pickup free, baby onya sikani free ya. Bawumia ye. It's exactly 8:06. We will visit this particular topic on Monday. We will keep pressing on this till we get answers. Mahamudu Bawumia, so when to me answer special prosecutor, no, when to man grant interview, and chire Ghana for baby onya sasikana or ye, nobody should take him serious. Nobody in Ghana. Now your vice president, what to pick up what 300? What bottom? Where did you get the money from? How much do you make in a month? How much do you make as a vice president of Ghana in a month? How much taxes do you pay? Pickups now, the bar Ghana, did you pay taxes? Can you show us VAT receipts? Can you show us when you cleared all these pickups from our port? You have stolen from us. Go to the OSP and provide every document. And we want you to stand on stage and speak on it. That you basically can tell us where you got the money from. Unless you do that, you are a thief. We are we. And I will not stop on this topic because we need to stop the monetization, the money part that has destroyed our politics. Bawumia mo na di sika say your politics no. Mete say ejako campaign. And I want to tell Ghana for ejako said yen go to my MPP, yan fa MPP mra. So who say ya tro ejako ho asem e news portal bi so ana bibia. Don't write anything. Ejako utra ontumi nkenkan ti ase. Ejako kan kwasi asem na Ghana web postia. Oko Facebook, don't comment. Ono ankasa no ohu a ontumi nkan ti ase. So I don't know why people will worry themselves say Ejako aka asem binti mehu no Facebook ya posti me ko trase. Ejako ankasa utra ontumi nkenkan wejimi. Until Facebook brings voice note. Obi ti say Ejako dina samwa kasa. Don't now, who knows social media? Don't comment. When you comment, you are wasting your time. Because o comment here or no crow kind on twin king kind. Into me said Dana Samoa, Ejako, Chema Untimi, Nipebu Ogana no Mokasa, na media houses and no more publisher. Don't comment, don't write anything. Because on Gaza quite a channel or kind on Tiasia. Until Facebook brings voice note, I bet tomorrow record Raka command no. WhatsApp pro on to me, Mamon Hamo, Ejako Jimmy, Mamon Hamo. Say, when you break. Na wako post biase yesi ejako aka say Ghana web say na wase tro e de jako da bi on twinking kan oh how ho don't waste grammar. Dana samwa aka say na wako gina type dana samwa twinking kan on twin tro. Ya try my Facebook the voice note abeka ho. Ene de abasa na ya send yomo. Now at this point there ejako kasa me how ho comment there and ejako aka bibinti I am going to write grammar and ejako doesn't have to oh how ho. we Jimmy o twin kingan on tiasie then as an waka asem na okotro commenter o Jimmy o kingan on tiasie yen nyina yen twen sankofo ne kasa ye hom se nwan mama yen waste your time so yen twen na Facebook emfa voice note mra so what number WhatsApp na no send you voice note eja ko say na make a kire na say wo kotro comment on tiasie o Jimmy so let's not waste time on eja code and someone chema wo mama Jimmy mo twin kingan let's not waste our English on them on Facebook and Twitter. Don't do that I beg you guys. We mama Jimmy, ye gina MPP for so, ye nyam free omo so, ye gina mo so. And the day see wa santimemu. Ye see wa santimemu nie. Momo ya mwa o. Bantama, e day see ye say, and ye commission ye party office e wo bantama. E wa santimemu. The NPP, EOCO Kobi. Nanado danko ekufu ado su Kobi. Omoko ye den wo bantama. Omoko commission party office. What did they do? What did they go do in Ashanti region? EOCO free Eastern region ebri ena oba Kumasi Accra ena obefa plane ena odiba Kumasi ena achechede no so kofa plane ena ono so ba Kumasi. And I said, you know, mobile almost say asenso bu say we see party office. Ewo the constituency. Inti party mpedifo ex-presidents. The party's ex-president, two most important people in the MPP, they flew to Kumasi to go and commission asenso bu constituency we see party office. We are going now here team. These are the two most important people in the party. Two former ex-presidents. Or two former presidents, sorry. Omo jai omu ye nyina so muko Kumasi bantama you see party office 2 rooms. And they are going there or they went there to commission the 2 rooms. Let's watch. They see what Kumasi in them. You are mature adebi. Wasiafo we na mumudi di omochi.
Now, the Jack has the original organizer. Both sides. Now, the Jack has the original organizer. Both sides.
Intende omuko Kumasi so makwesi osunu fie. Omakwesi osunu fie obantama 2 rooms. Almost a party office. Asenso bo achi na MP na wesi. Okay. Na ebibi vo pare wajimi o. Na o hwe osunu fie na omosi na wajimi go wajimi. Anything I for party mpedifo nyina ba ye. Party office oh. Let me show you the picture of Osunufie no. I'm see a friend of Osunufie enie. And into omu nyina free nkan. Aden a ye see Osunufie e obantama asenso bo achi ne see ye. Eti former president ni nyina omo party omu di party ni no omu nyina ba. Abetena patase. Obi abo ne to powder abo pons. E de eye case roll on afana motiom. Asha Whitechapel abetena apatase. Say ye be bie Osunufie no. Now, Omubia or Snufie no, ena yesi Ekufuado Mbekasa. As Penyini or the party, Nima with the president pain. Onfa nanu asamun tuja. Because Oye Penyini or the party name and with the president pain. And majority of voter onyade be the president nefi asantimemu. Inti Oye Penyini a yehu ne se onim nyansan de. Onfa nano entum na yenko enim na yehu senia. Ebusuafo ne nkora mo be hye nyina no ebehu nyansa eda ne tirim na na adoda nko Ekufuado kasa mo mienkotie Inti omuso makwesi Osunufie obantema Hausa for say Osunufie ye kan Hausa mu say gidangiwa omako Kumasi akwesi gidangiwa Rade ya go ego di obo Jimmy bruta obo Jimmy de kenten Bawku omako Kumasi akwesi gidangiwa yesi Osunufie ne Hausa no sa na ka no gidangiwa omakwesi gidangiwa Osunufie o Kumasi Bantama inti Ekufuado bekasa no say Ekufuado is suffering from dementia, which is fine. Old age, it comes with it. Ekufuado kasa no o say ono any J Ekufuo ejuma o ma ye no ene na de MPP beba power 2028 ya. Ekufuado's memory half has been washed away. I understand. Nanado Danko Ekufuado, his memory half has been washed away. So I understand when he speaks like that. Inti Kumasi no mkoye no, ono na no asem nyina ne say, yobia hu de ekoso enko yie. Inti ono ene Kufuo adwuma omo ye no, ene na the MPP beba power 2028. And the question here is, woni Kufuo adwuma ben pa na mo ye wa santimemu a na wugina no. Two former presidents comes to cut short for gidangiwa for a 2-bedroom party office. Two ex-presidents. It be free Accra ba Kumasi. Kumasi na unya 51% na. At the end of the day, you ended up with 41%. You know. Uba Kumasi to come and commission a gidangiwa or Sunufie 2-bedroom office. And then why bold enough to stand in Kumasi to say, only J.A. Kufuo be the president 27 years in 25 years in J.A. Kufuo be the president from the year 2000 to 2025. It did 25 years. And you stand in Kumasi. Now we be wanakacha Ghana for say, where's the gidangiwa? Where's the Osunufie? Inti wo record. Now, what is the record? Record ben na wo any record ben Ekufuado Kufuo wa. But to be jina santimemu went to membie wa no anka. From baby a wujina no. all the way to Sewia Hospital. Ekwan ne nye. Asenso Boache kwasi ampenyi a wesi party office no. Obeye roads minister. Asenso Boache. When tumi anya kwan po every baby owo bantema anko Sewia Regional Hospital when tumi pa anya Asenso Boache ne konse bodua. J.A. Kufuor betena Ghana so 8 years. J.A. Kufuor to when tumi anje ma kan kasa mini Kufuor we na meme ye we neku we Kufuor kra when tumi mbie wa no anka se ade a meye wa santimemu nie. Also when Kufuor de mo ye when Kufuor de na mo ye a e the MPP beba power because from what I know wo Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor do when Kufuor won kwa o ye Kufuor na Kufuor ade as we speak today ade pa na wa santimemu a ana e wo Ghana ha eye ade titru Kufuor betu de nsesi so se mi wu a mo fan kai me Kufuor emergency asantini odi mokodi nchine ayeyi tumi di amawo asantifo nyire free Ghana amawo tumi. The only thing you can talk about to Emma Kufuor was santimemu any Kufuor emergency 2 rooms. One Kufuor at this stage so no the two of you will be able to find nsa point bibia ebwa Ghana ebwa Asante. You cannot point to a single thing in Ashanti region, a single thing. One Kufuor 16 32 years. J.A. Kufuor ne wu Ekufuor mumienu moka mo record boma. The two of you cannot point to 1 or 2 things in the Ashanti region. 16 years between one Kufuor went to see 1 regional hospital Asante me 1. 16 years between one Kufuor went to see 1 school e wa Asante memu a university went to see bako. One J.A. Kufuor, you cannot boast of 1 company that belongs to the government in Ashanti region. One Kufuor, you cannot boast of anything meaningful to say eja. Mwesiama santimai eja. One Kufuor 16 years. You cannot point to a single road ubetumaka say mene Kufuor ba 60 years when ya yama santi Kufuor say oye overhead asafo ubotra ubetuma abatra. Are you people not ashamed? Yet krom ha and I would say me Kufuor da wadwene half ahohoro. Mutna TV so catch the Ghana fo nyina say mo ba be si schools yet ya. What do Asantimemu could not point to 1 traffic light? One Kufuor Muntumi pointed to 1 traffic light amoyema Asantimai. There's no need to insult you people. You are too old to be insulted. You need to sit and worry in your record. You see, you need to reflect on your record. And then the 2 of you sitting on one stage, Monferry, are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Say, Yaba Santimemu, this is what we came to Ashanti region to commission. Ko ejeso, John Kuma, Oko ejeswa, hospital ewoho, MPP headquarters, FHA hospital. John Kuma, ewuye, yenya hospital amfananko. Asenso Boache, he might face the same fate that John Kuma faced here. With Jimmy, instead of him to look at hospital, to build a hospital, to build a dia, a bit to be crazy or no nema amenkwano, or so we see Gidangiwa or Sunufie party office. Intenda na dwi Asenso Boache nakuma yaria ba obewu. You know why? Because in Bantama, in the Ashanti region, no hospital can save him. Intenda Monferry. Don't you feel shy? The only thing you could say is say, Ejuma ya the Ebeba power 2028. 2028 power nkwana modwene ho. Monferry so ojina santimemu. Kase 2028 power ne yepe. When to mbie wa no ambobo nyoma so ankyra santifo. J.A. Kufuor te ho. Asenso Boache bebie crime office. Aha na afe na krono no yebebo efiri. Ya jijiska bia aha na yeba begege no. Ye bibia connection bia ba high meeting. Asenso Boache bie crime office wo Bantama. Ho na sanyame bo na etumi wini power 2042 a eno na yebetumi e de ahyehye nkrata de awi Asante. Inti wotumi ahohoro to abegina Asantememu between you Ekufuor and Kufuor 16 years. More than Hoko Kumasi ko ye de bia to mean Chira Santi for the Mayama Santi. 16 years. No university in Ghana move to Makasa mo pathway Dombo Buzia Zoo you were able to build not one single university. Dombo Buzia Dankwa was a DNDA, you cannot boast of one single regional hospital. Dombo Buzia DNDA, you cannot boast of one factory built by you people. Dombo just say I say muni answer. I say muni answer. Na inti mo pese mo bedi Ghana so the day inti mo pese mo bedi Ghana so. Why? Why do you people want to lead Ghana? You need to tell us why you want to lead Ghana. Mama yehu reason tia mo pese mo bedi Ghana so. Asenso bo ache be crime office. Enya krono na yebebo no ha. Ede na mbedo ha. 2-bedroom office way. Enya krono na mbebo. We ji yesika ena yetia dues ena we ama ena we di ye ena ekwa yie no ena we sika ama enya nkwasi ade ntia mu bi esa de we. Ede na mu bi de aye. You have 2 former presidents. Mutumi serve 8 years. Sebio asantifo biye jiminti. Ya to abasa entwin ye de mobile power. You share stage and you cannot even tell the people what you did specifically. Ka oje mic no. Ka baka se mini anom. Utwa weni hwe ha. De yesi ha yi a ebu asanti. Utwa weni hwe ha. De ya yesi a ebu asanti. Utwa weni hwe ha. Uwi a o se ye begina we so de ewini power. Osemini ekufuad mene kufuad ya ye adwuma ya ye. Nana do danko ekufuad adwuma ni bia maye no any DDEP. Mo beje Ghana fo sika di ye woni webusuafo ekufuado. Ene na de over power 2028 no. We are talking about who free power uja 38% because of your corruption, the criminality you built as a government. 38% na uja power. Because nipana no di wechi a oni ye adwuma eye Bawumia no oye trofo Ghana fo hu mu boni ana mudi 38%. That is your track record. Free power na inflation was 57 and then our labor power 2028 and the inflation is less than 21%. Free power na inflation na it was 57%. And the interest rate is 21.5. Inflation has dropped all the way to like 11, below 11. And the inflation is around 11, 12. Free power, now inflation was 57. And then about 2028, you could not build a single regional hospital in 8 years. A single. Agenda 111 went to me see Bakum or Batan Kumanko. And then the interest to about my MPP 2028. Where Jumano Ebino no. Now, you could not build one university, one from scratch. One university for this country. You could not build one university in Ghana. 8 years. We paid you, we fed you. You could not build one nursing college. One nursing college. You could not build one nursing college. Say Akwaranko, Enkosia nursing. You could not build one training college. One. When I also so o record niya yemfanko to aba ma MPP 2028 Emma Bawumia ana hwan. Nana Danko Kufuado. Your family members about 60 family and friends o set a record e bin serious da in your government. Near to Ghana, I'm showing you some of your record. A whole media house recognized around the world did a documentary on you, Alistair Matthias, illegal gold smuggling. We were in this country. A whole Al Jazeera did a documentary with your name in it. Alistair Matthias, now we did boom, Ojaka is Ode, Al Jazeera, Kokot, ever seen there. And when a young show won to Abamau, we were here. Gold mafia.
Alistair Matthias designed structures specifically to hide state capture funds. An initial word of advice for our undercover reporter: put Mr. Stanley's money in her name.
do what the politicians do. For example, I buy a lot of stuff in my name on behalf of politicians. If Stanley trusts you, he can keep things in your name. You have to have someone that you trust as possible. Politicians, they don't have the name owning anything. They always have a proxy that represents them. Pretty much everyone. Even in Russia, they have someone that they trust, that maybe a nephew or a cousin that holds all the assets. Africa, same thing. Someone they trust that runs all the businesses, and they continue being politicians. In Africa, they do government contracts. It's largely tenders, construction of roads, procurement, supplying different things, oil, this and there, all the politicians get taken care of indirectly, which is what allows me to do all my other stuff freely.
So the government contracts is the way you reward the politicians, basically.
So what happens? The government will give me a contract. There's a lot of commissions involved. You want a commission, you want a commission.
Commissions in international rules of anti-corruption is basically synonymous with bribery. So when it says commissions, I hear bribes.
The second oldest. See, if you're a politician and you do a contract, you're not going to tell the whole world you're getting 10%. No one can do it. But you trust me, so you say, we'll keep it with you.
Matthias acts as a bank for corrupt leaders.
I earn the commission for that. Then it's a matter of they tell me, okay, pay that, move it here, move that. So for example, Ghana government, Matthias Holding, I get the contract. I subcontract it to you. $100 million contract. Ghana government pays me $100 million. I give it to you and you say it's $80 million.
The contract is inflated $20 million above its real cost.
If I have an agreement with that, then you get proceed. So now we probably $5 million.
Matthias banks the $15 million for the corrupt politicians until they need it.
It's like all of it at the web. And wherever they want it, just tell me I send it. That's how I do it.
That is the way in which corruption is facilitated. To create the corrupt funds, the corrupt commission is exactly how it's described. They overpay it and create an extra bunch of money that can be used to pay politicians.
Most important thing for me in Africa is people trust me. All the politicians trust that whatever money I have on theirs is safe. That's the biggest confidence that I have. They trust me because they know that I'll pay their commission.
This is Ekufuado. This is your record. Near to Kroma. And our time ambulance contract ma o Bajan Kroma. These are the records we are talking about. You ambulance contract o Bajan Kroma na otamano near waha. We were here. And our time contract Emma ayedian. Was it o employ to head Gehok Kofi Juma kwasi ampenyino. Oware neba bema ware obaba. And our time Gehok ma Kofi Juma. And a Kofi Juma to no din kwasi asem. You did not say open record the about power 2028. And I will bottom. Sometimes you speak as if say Yatigana as you name answer. So you speak anyhow and you walk. It's OJ Mike, it's all about Yehudi EOCO and Koye. It's time to me now. Only MPP, It is you are still waiting for power. Never back of what obey. Toilet no be see wa Ghana. We no to gold chain to the comb. Yantigroma. Small girl be from America beji $200,000 to go. Ni anti go Ghana. Yaba pack of war. Edian or ye. Ghana at 50. Maybe ready a report to forensic audit. Actually say Kofi Krawasanke jailino. Kojon Pieni Reku Brobe. We after Ghana at 50. Sika Muriaye. The committee's report recommendation. I read it on this show. Kofi, what is so good about him? Yati hana Kofi hotel wawa ni anti kroma ha. Yati kroma Kofi to see one hospital was antimemu. Well to see one factory was antimemu. J. Kufuor to make one university was 8 years, a year no koye. A day na mo Musumujina so the abede, yet to chroma ye Kufuor gallon. J. Kufuor beto, a year de doom so when to man solve it piano at a mills. Or free Abena or pass a single spine salary. Said the end, and the two at a mills so, or collapse ya bino. And ya Kufuor Brenna, a year or sophomore for now, no saboto. Eko eye salu kwaji loan yenti kroma yenti kroma 50 cent ye gold to the kom ebo no ho samrane ye no number 1 gold dealer o Ghana ne yenti Ghana e na kofo de gold chain to the kom yan yanka se gold ko na ne wabruchire yenti kroma na we Kufuor wo be ye eye de ejapade anka motam Ghana egudie nyina de akọ UK yenti kroma record ben na wo kan wasama yentam je Kufuor de ko hepic redenomination Kufuor Edison Ghana Sika Edison economy. I read to you the reasons for redenomination. J. Kufuor Bogana no detifie onu onim de waye. Do people think we have forgotten about all these epic toilets? 2 ex-presidents tip stage, so you could not mention even 2 projects in your name in the regional power no. Now, what to work can some hunichire? Adentra, Mama Yankasa, open power. Into ye Jimmy Tiansan to lie, Niantum, Yantam to me, Bawumia. Now, one sign, on an social dispute, I say you to the form. Gas, I want who you now caught, was starting size boom. No home for no, but a person be 7 1 ding. Kufuor is sick, is very sick, he's unwell. Nanado Danko Kufuor is not looking good. He's not feeling well. Or better no, but a person bibi. Oh, I am still Kufuor. I didn't born at Trasie. He is not well one bit. But Shotanga, oh Meko Webi, oh Mechanko for some more ding. He's sick. Shotanga outside gentility home crying a question. And the trials seni line a done trials seni. I saw Ojiji Koleba Uzbekistan. He lie a done trials seni. I saw Ojiji Koleba. Nanado Danko Kufuor the president. Ahomba a hand time. Suddenly, the wardrobe in a big fan. The wardrobe in Jinajina so. Oshisha eye abonkele suit. And then in some hunu no odi wa Ghana. Utu nipa fo. Oma nipa. Oma ni to me. Akwawe atakura your man is to me in some huna odin or Ghana. Or to make a whole regional minister. Sorry, ko ni about a national anthem or he bit to form Nanado Danko Kufuor Akwawe. We saw it. Or to be smart giant. Henry Cote, yeah, born national anthem or he be home for no eto or to me stop sorry koko ne baba to me epic phone calls text whilst national anthem is playing. Atakura nka ho hwe and wabegina stage ne trials anu fi ekeka nsem hunu kire nipa ye nyina ntam to me ma MPP. You have to be prosecuted. You have to be in jail. Wo Kufuor. You are supposed to die in jail. Wo anko so dema go be so be wo jail. Nyoma why ya wasabeji mic be keka nsem hunu se de ekọ ne nkoso. An enko yie na wo na ekọ yie ma wo. Na wo gina wo yanka se ekọ yie. Wuna na Kufuor ujina wo yeko ye. Usita na wo sha, why pampi I say, show boy the nyina ayira. And shall trousers lie dem. Shall trousers line a dem. I saw ojeje koleba ewo Uzbekistan. And the size boom na show. Ora, gas o who be a ko. Because you are not a good person. You don't have a good heart. You came to destroy. Only J.A. Kufuor Ghana more than any president in our history. And it hurts me say, Yabapa Kufuor, or sorry, not oko event be not on what to the same stage. So inti unsem hunu no kana akokano. And na me Yama Kufuor. Na me Kufuor program be we Kufuor bakwa bakwa na nchen. Na na Kufuor do ani asra. Nanado Danko Kufuor wani asra no nam. Ye ka politics mu ate, ye ka so obi ate or politics mu krono wani asra me bon ho Kufuor ye politics mu ate. Edie na akwa we atakora anye no Ghana na Kufuor. Edie na atakora anye. Ende ye ohima da ne benkum so. Hwe de na ekoso e okuma ase. Ogo kan sisi obi beje wa no esi bone. ye na party flags bobonkofo komu okumase ohema kese ewu ye mu bia ise nwan enti uye say oye politics na obi nya santini kasetia wa na ye wo ya because ye mu bia santifo ni bi ye jimi ene guwade ene ewu ye na ewu ye nyina ye som ye na ewu ye kra ye pra nechi ya dane se ye mu bia ise nwan ye ntumi pu ye for politics in 2 seconds na ye nye yie mpo ya ise moa ye mu bi eyi ase ye politics ye nim nyansa ye ntumi nwene ena ya MPP na jimi ye woni ye betoma na ye tom say kutu say bambini ni edem ye de binim ye de MPP bininim ye nyini a ye nyini ye disa ni abodam say kutu bambini no MPP say kutu binino ni edem ye wo ye nya ni edem ni tafri ye de bro ye ho ye de bininim a MPP binimu ani de nyini ye nim nyansa ohima adane benkum so otumfo say tutu be ma kanisiesi so esu ahini no na ye de jimi ye nana ena ewuo guys say nwan ye mu bi guys say nwan guys say imponche. It's very sad, very terrible. I see a way to party binim ye di binina na ye nyini ye nyini na abodam ye kamoni mana mbuofu man fa last one nwom ni alaji fama omo
se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman